go shopping. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel Creating Funneries. And now, since you all know it's time for Christmas holiday season here, and we are really excited to celebrate this season here in a different style. It's just so exciting to see those trees light up and everything. So that's why even we are going shopping today and we'll take you along. Come, let's go shopping for Christmas tree. Jingle bell, shopping time again. Jingle bell, let's go shopping again. Oh wow, this is so nice. One, two. Hi, Mr. Santa. So, guys, now we are at Walmart, starting our hunt for Christmas tree. Let's see how is the variety over here and what we find and what's the price. I'm actually really enjoying, buying things for Christmas. Since everywhere it is so well decorated, so many colorful things, really loving it. And now let's start with the trees. This is for $129. It's too thin, not my choice. That one is for $260. This is for $25, and this looks quite nice. We can think about it. Nothing very interesting. I feel that it won't be that big. This is for $40, but this is a white one, and I'm not looking for a white tree. So they have few Christmas decorations. Oh wow, this is so nice. I like this. Hi. And these houses are so pretty. Just have a look at it, guys, and this is so soft and nice. Oh wow. Very pretty things to decorate. But this one piece is for $4. There the garlands, and these are for $35. They say that it is 8 feet long. The rest are very small trees there, so actually I didn't find anything that I wanted, so probably we'll have to go somewhere else.
Let's check out Canadian Tire also. They are running good promotions.
Oh, so these are the variety that they had, but I think by now they have sold many of them and they are not available in the stock. Otherwise, I think this one was a good option. But I read that they have the pre-lit trees also in Canadian Tire.
This one is it?
No, I didn't find this one. They have few of them, the pre-lit one, but they are for $169.99.
60.
80, but this 81 is like the white look one. I don't like the white look one.
Okay, let's try somewhere else.
Now we have reached Canadian Tire to buy our Christmas tree so that we can start our Christmas tree decoration, and I hope we find something good and budget friendly here. So let's see. Wow, what a big set. And this is for $30. Hi, Mr. Santa.
Hey guys, looks like कि यहाँ पे तो बात बन जाएगी. They have lot of options in the trees and lot of offers going on. Like this big fat tall tree is on $100 discount. Original price is around 500, but on offer it's for 400. So ऐसे ही depending upon your size and height and the density requirement, they have lot of options. Like this one, the good one, is for 200. So depending upon your budget and likehood, you have single color, multicolor tree. I think that's a little bit short one, so it will be nice. There is one more tree with colorful lights, and there is one more with single light. I think this looks pretty decent for newcomers like us to celebrate the Christmas here for the first time. And let's check the price for this. This comes with a 50% discount, so the price also looks very reasonable and budget friendly. I think if we will put our decorations on it, it will come out to be a really nice one. Yay, we found the one we want, so we are buying it.
Yes. Pretty. When we open the first, I need scissors.
So now we have opened our tree. It has come in several parts, and I think we'll have to build it up, and it will take little time. So we have to join all these parts. But the best part is that this tree already has lights. So we don't have to put extra lights, I think. So it will be very beautiful when it is done. So we'll start the process of making it. Stay tuned with us.
Yeah, but one more thing. Before we start, I think we should check the lights, because ऐसा ना हो कि when we are done with it and we get a surprise that the lights are not working.
Oh yeah, true. That's a very valid
So
point.
let's check it before we start. So it's a tip for you also if you are buying a pre-lit tree. So definitely check and then start installation, because after putting so much effort, you don't want to be disheartened.
Another.
So friends, they have done something good here. They have given connectors so that it's easy for anyone to connect. So as we can see here, there are 3 parts, and they have given connectors. So I think just to check, we can open up the wire and connect all the 3 together and check it. So friends, we have connected all the 3 parts. Now just we have to put it to the line and check. Yay! So at least we can now move on to the next step of putting the tree together. Finally the tree is ready.
Yes. Come, let's relax. Oh.
No.
What happened? Oh my god, they have a box full of decorations.
Wow, we're gonna put where?
On the top of the tree.
Okay.
So, hi guys, we are done all the hard work of tying the threads to our decoration, and now we are going to start and put all this up on our tree and make it so beautiful. We are so sad.
Our decorations are finished, but our tree.
Is not complete. We'll again have to go and buy some more stuff. We really need some more stuff for this.
This is nice. This will help us in hanging the ornaments very nicely. I think we should take one of these.
Wow, this is such a nice color. We didn't get it last time. Let's buy this one. So now we completed our second round of shopping, as this was not complete. So we completed our second round. Let me show you what all we got. Though you will see it on the tree also, but I can show you like this also. These are the candy canes which you can hang now and then eat later. There it's a gift, Christmas gift. This is the golden lace around the tree. The red balls, the red golden balls, red golden silver balls, golden silver balls, and this is my snow. Jingle bell, the bells to ring. Again some golden balls and the snowflake. Some stars and then the bells again. So let's begin. Again, a lot of hard work. So let's just begin.
Christmas time means gift time.
Let's put more gifts here.
Now our tree is ready.
And we are super duper happy because now it's time to light up our tree. One,
One second.
two, three.
Hey, Merry Christmas!
Oh, Christmas tree! Oh, Christmas tree!
How lovely is
So
your beauty.
Oh, Christmas tree! Oh, Christmas So if you like our video of Christmas tree decoration, then please like, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.